वेलकम टू टेक कॉस्मोस। मैं हूं फरहान और अभी यार हम लोग आए हैं यहाँ हैदराबाद में सिकंदराबाद आए हैं। ठीक है, बड़ा अजीब सा मतलब ऐसा लगता है कोरिलेट करना। देखिए श्वेता कंप्यूटर पेरिफेरल्स, इसमें चलते गाइस। सो गाइस अभी हम लोग शॉप के अंदर आ चुके हैं और जानते हैं पहले 1 लाख का पीसी बिल्ड का कोटेशन। ठीक है,
You can go with the Intel i7 12th generation. That is a K series, and you can go with the motherboard Z690, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, 500 SSD. If you are going with the 12 GB graphic card 3060, and the power supply will be a 650 watts. You can choose a cabinet according to what you like. There are so many cabinets starting from the 2500 to it is a what your range. It will be near 5000, 10,000, 15,000, whatever the range it is. And
ठीक है, अगर वैसे भी कमर्शियल यूजर तो प्लस का डबल हो रहा है। So we have included 3060, I guess.
yeah, 12 G, 3060 12 GB graphic card.
And which company it is?
It will be a Galaxy Gigabyte. There are so many companies. What the requirement, which the company they want, we can go for that. i7 12th generation. This is the Intel i7 12th generation 12700K, and the motherboard is Z690 gigabyte and 16 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, 500 GB SSD. If they need more SSD, they can increase the SSD also 1 TB, 2 TB. What the requirement according to that, and 650 power supply. I didn't added the cabinet because there are so many cabinets. From it will be starting from 2005 to it will be 3000, 4000, 5000 what they are decided for, because they are gaming cabinets. There are 2 fans, 3 fans, RGB, ARGB. There are so many varieties of fans are there.
And what's the total?
Just a minute. 1,01,900 with the i7 12th generation. You can get the best PC. There is same you can go for the Ryzen also. There is a Ryzen 7, Ryzen 8.
And which processor will be there in Ryzen?
In the Ryzen you can go for the 5700X, 5800X.
Okay.
58 if you are going with the i7 12th generation, you can go with the Ryzen 9 5900. It will be around 1000 rupees difference in both the processor.
Okay. And guys, you can see the total is 1,01,900. Will there be any discount if someone comes for to buy this?
Yeah, there will be because all the prices will be day by day. It will be changes. We can give the best price. It will be we can reduce more to 3,000 in this.
Okay. And guys, you can see the parts and taking a screenshot over here. Okay. So guys, this was the video of 1 lakh PC build. Meet you in the next video.